Hello, everyone. I hope you are all doing well. Today's story is very beautiful and very helpful. It has a strong life lesson. It also includes many daily useful English sentences. Please listen carefully and practice these sentences. Now, let's start.
My name is Ali. I am a simple boy. I live in a small village. My family is not rich. Life is not easy for me. But I have a big dream. I want to become successful. Many people laugh at me. They say I cannot do it. Sometimes I feel sad. But I do not give up. I decide to focus on my goals. I wake up early every day. I do not waste my time. I make a daily plan. I write my goals in a notebook. I read them every morning. I say, I can do it. I believe in myself. I study with full focus. I avoid bad company. I turn off my phone. I work very hard. I remember my dream. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I feel weak. Problems come in my life. Money is also a problem. People still laugh at me. But I stay calm. I do not answer them. I keep working quietly. I improve every day. I learn new things. I manage my time well. I focus on my goals. One day I fail in a test. I feel very sad. I cry at night. I think about quitting. But I remember my dream. I wipe my tears. I stand up again. I say, failure is not the end. I study harder than before. I practice daily. I learn from my mistakes. I become stronger. I stop wasting time. I do not watch too much TV. I do not scroll social media. I use my time wisely. I read good books. I listen to positive talks. I think about success. I avoid negative people. I protect my energy. I stay focused. I work step by step. I move closer to my goal. I learn discipline. I follow my routine daily. I study at the same time. I sleep on time. I wake up early. I eat simple food. I keep my mind fresh. I exercise every morning. I stay healthy. I keep learning. I never stop trying. I respect my time. Months pass slowly. I keep working hard. I see small progress. My marks start improving. My teacher praises me. My parents feel proud. I feel happy. I feel more confident. I trust myself more. I smile more often. I feel strong inside. I stay focused on my goal. Some days are very hard. I feel stressed sometimes. I feel pressure from people. But I stay positive. I talk to myself kindly. I say, keep going. I remind myself of my dream. I do not look back. I move forward slowly. I take small steps. I stay patient. I keep my focus strong. I stop comparing myself to others. I focus on my own journey. I celebrate small wins. I feel grateful daily. I learn from successful people. I improve my skills. I use my time wisely. I stay away from distractions. I keep my mind clear. I believe success will come. I stay focused every day. 1 year passes. I see big changes. I become more confident. I speak better English. I study better now. My results improve. People stop laughing at me. Some people start supporting me. I feel proud of myself. I feel strong. I feel ready for success. I stay focused on my goals. I understand one thing. Success needs focus. Success needs patience. Success needs hard work. I do not fear failure now. I accept challenges. I face problems bravely. I trust my journey. I trust my effort. I trust my dream. I never give up. I always focus on my goals. Today I am stronger. Today I am confident. I am closer to my dream. I am proud of my journey. I thank my parents. I thank my teachers. I believe in myself. I know I can succeed. I will keep working hard. I will never stop trying. I will always focus on my goals.